Come to me, Bridget. All right, come on.
Sorry, Sammy. You're definitely here for it. Is this world's tiniest egg? Even this one seems pretty small, but in comparison, I don't know who laid that egg, but it had an easy delivery. So it is Christmas morning. We celebrated Christmas, honestly, almost 2 weeks ago because Wayne is a little bit impatient and he was on vacation. So it's just another day for us, but not really. We have sibling gifts to give our kids. But anyways, the reason why I'm telling you is, I'm sorry, girls. Lana came in right before my alarm went off, and so I turned it off and snuggled her back up. She had a bad cough, and so I turned my alarm off. And then, since it's not... Oh my goodness. Sorry, girl. Since it's not a big gift day... Sorry, Shadow. I hope she gets her feathers back. She is looking rough. Anyway, since it's not a big gift day, my kids are not bouncing out of bed. We stay up super late and then wake up late. So anyways, except for me, I get up and let the animals out. But my alarm didn't go off and I fell back asleep, and I did not wake up until like an hour and a half after I usually do. So the chickens are getting out a lot later than they usually do. And the thing that I think is hilarious is these chickens have a full water there that's perfectly fine to use, but instead they enjoy huddling around the baby pool. Good morning, Atlee. Going out, baby girl. Dove, please don't make any bad choices. Going out, Dove. Going out. Good girl. Nope, nope, not in Bridget's stall. Right here. Come on. Be nice. Like I said, it is Christmas Day, and I'm sad that it's not a white Christmas because I know that makes people happy. But when it comes to farming chores, I'm so excited that it's just drizzling a little bit and that my hoses aren't frozen and stuff. So maybe it's a Merry Christmas to me, or to all the people out doing farm chores this morning. Harlow always makes me feel bad, even though I know her belly does not need any more bottles. She seems super sad when I walk away. Wayne is getting the girls all wound up. Oh my God. Don't run to me. I thought she was gonna run into me. Like, that's too far of a walk. I don't want to. I don't want to play Harlow. No, no, no.
Nugget, assemble. Yes.
I'm over here trying to do my shorts.
Hawkman.
And Wayne's doing tricks with Nugget.
Nugget, assemble. Come on. Yes. after.
You're the best, Nuggy.
I'm about to go clean up some cow stalls. Give the cows some new hay. Hi, chicken. Hi, Bridget. Are we friends now? Bridget and I had a little fight earlier. Looks like maybe I'm forgiving. Don't do it. Good girl. Good girl. No. Quit that. All right. We'll just give her a little space. All right. Scooping poop. Scooping some poop. Get dove stall. She pees a lot. So a lot on the pee spot. And then just a little throughout the bedding. Normally this is the time where Shayla or the kids would grab a bag of bedding and fill in these bare spots. But I have to pay for the bedding, so I'm just gonna do this. Oh. Here. Like it never happened. So there you go. I used my Durafork rake. I didn't get paid to say that. To rake all these stalls. Doesn't that look nice? I'm just gonna keep saying sponsor names until I get a check. Budweiser, Cuisinart, Pellet Smoker, Under Armour, Carhartt, Timberwolf Chewing Tobacco. Just kidding. We don't want that one. Almost forgot. It is Christmas, so Merry Christmas, everyone. Have a great day today. That doesn't mean the video's over, but have a great day. These are bougie cows. We want their hooves to stay nice and clean, and we don't want them eating wet, nasty hay. So all this has got to go. I'm gonna rake that up real quick. The cows are getting pretty upset because I just took all their hay, but it's wet and nasty. Some of it's from yesterday, so I'm gonna run and get them some new hay real quick. Just to be clear, these are mud run meadow cows. I don't want to get sued by a bougie cattle company. But all right, we got the ground cleaned and some new hay. So got a lot of hay in the wagon. Seems pretty wasteful, but you know who likes stinky wet hay? It's chickens. So we'll take it to them. So these chickens have eaten all of their grass. You can see the yard's green. The chicken runs are not. They do this every winter. It will grow back in the spring, but in the meantime, we'll throw them this old hay. So they'll pick through that and eat whatever they want of it. The rest they'll kind of spread out throughout the chicken run, which is nice for us because then we're not walking on mud. And I guess it kind of enriches their environment because now they have something to do today. These guys know what time it is. Come on. Come on. Chick, chick. A little snack for my boys. Living out on the mean streets of West 260. Just out here in the open dodging hawks and coons. These guys are hardcore.
our chickens choose to not go to bed until they're forced to go to bed. I don't know why this is a thing that they do. Go on, it's time for bed. So, we got the bunnies these balls that you stick snacks in, and they can roll them around and the pieces will fall out. Terribly annoying to fill up, obviously make a giant mess, so hopefully they enjoy them and I find a better way to fill them. Felicity smelled the treats right away. We'll see the other girls figure it out. We just got done taking the girls to look at Christmas lights. I'm sad that this might be the last time we get to look over and see my neighbor's yard lit up like this. I know that it is a lot of work and we super duper appreciate it. But we made sure to drive through one last time before we came out and did our chores. This little girl is ready for her papa. I wish that I had 3 hands because I had to give that bottle with one hand and then brush Ember with the other because she was being jealous. Be nice to your sister. We are trying to start hand feeding Bridget again. Oh, I want that piece. She has been just being super grumpy lately. So we thought maybe if she would associate every time our hand comes at you, it's for food. So you don't need to fight us. But she, when I put the girls up, we usually just give them a cup of feed. I gave the treats to her then and she was fine. But right now she is throwing a fit and refusing to eat. So Bridget wins tonight. Wayne said maybe she just doesn't like the smell of what's on my hand. So I think she's just being stubborn. But she did get her last snack tonight. So that's it for today. We hope you all had a Merry Christmas and a great rest of the year.